Hi, it's Mark from TrainingSpark here, and in this video we're going to show you a really useful tool to generate dummy users to test your learning platform. In this video we're using LearnDash LMS, but there's no reason that this concept couldn't be used on any user-based platform. So the tool is called Mockaroo, and what it allows you to do is generate a spreadsheet of dummy users that you can import into a system. So we can see here, if we go to mockaroo.com, the default would be these fields here, and if I click on preview, what you'll see is that it can create random usernames and names that can then be used to test your platform. So it'll just generate these completely at random, and you can then use this and import it into your system. So what you need is a platform that allows you to import users. And LearnDash, while it doesn't have this natively, there are a number of plugins available that allow you to do this. And we're using one of ours called Organization Toolkit that allows you to import users. And typically what they will allow you to do is upload a spreadsheet of users. And that spreadsheet will have a certain set of headings. So we can see here that they've got first name, last name, username, email, password, group. And then we've got a few optional fields at the end here that we'll leave off. But what we'll do is create, using Mockaroo, a spreadsheet of users with random first names and last names that we can then import and use within our system. So let's head to Mockaroo first, and we'll go to delete all of these placeholder or dummy fields here, and we're going to use these fields here to build up our own spreadsheet for our own use here. So we can see that the first field is first underscore name, then last underscore name. So let's add these first underscore name. So that's under the field name, and then under the type we can choose what type of data we want in that field. And there is an option called first name, which we can see brings in names like Jim, Mark, and Sasha. We'll add another one called last name, and that's the same again. We'll just go under here to last name, and that'll bring in the last name. Let's see what else we've got here. Username and email. So we'll just put in username, and we'll choose from the list here username, and then we have email, and we'll choose email from here. So what this will do is just create a random email address. Then we have the option of password and then group. So password, we have an option where it just generates a random password. And then group is when I'm going to handle slightly differently. So I'm going to put this as blank for now. But what we can do is manually put in a value. So what this does is allows us to import these users into a LearnDash group. So if we head to LearnDash LMS and then groups, as part of the Organization Toolkit, we can see what these group IDs are. So I want to put them into this group, which has the ID of 24830. Back into Mockaroo, we head to the group field here, which we've chosen as blank. But what we can actually do is edit this and put in a custom value and say a number here, and then click apply. So if we were to preview this now, we can see that it generates a number of users here with random first names and last names, a random username, email address, a random password, and then assigns them to a group. So what I'm going to do, I'll just limit this to 50 values and then click download data. And that'll allow me to save a CSV here, which is called mockdata.csv. So if I head back to my Organization Toolkit import users here, I can browse and find my mock data file here and then import the users. And what we can see here is that 50 users have been added successfully. And if we head to the LearnDash LMS group section here, we can see that they've all been put into this Eco Water Learners group. That number was 20 before, but if we go into it, what we'll see is that it is now full of these dummy users that I've just created there. So we hope you find this useful. This is a big time saver for us when we're testing out platforms. And if you did like this video, please give it a like. And if you're interested in more videos like this, please follow the Training Spark YouTube channel.